Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear the browsing data on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. Now, the first thing that we need to do is of course open our browser, and the steps that you need to do in order to clear the browsing data may differ depending on the browser that you use. But if you use Google Chrome like this one, for instance, then in order to clear the browsing data, you need to tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and then you will immediately see the option to clear browsing data. You can tap on it, and then you can choose the last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time if you tap over here on this text. And then you can also tap on more options in order to choose what you want to clear and what you want to remove from your browser. So you can even select the saved passwords, autofill from form data, and site settings. You need to simply tick these boxes, and then you want to press the clear data button. Now, if you don't have this clear browsing data here for some reason, then you can go to history instead, and then in the history you will find the clear browsing data over here at the top below the history text, so you can tap on it, and then here you can see the same things once again. And one more thing is that here on the top right side you can choose the time span, so it should be, by default it should be last hour I think, but if you tap on it then once again you can choose different time span or time range, and once again you can simply tap the clear data button in order to clear the browsing data. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.